Hello friends, today we are discussing about the ecology for the SYBSc class semester 3 BO 231 and paper name is Taxonomy of Angiosperm and Plant Ecology. Today we are aware about the ecology and the environment because every subject is related to ecology and ecology is also related to us. So this is very important, and at SYBSc level a special paper for the awareness of environment is also framed for you. Here ecology is deals with the study of the interrelationship between biotic and abiotic component as well as the relationships among the individuals of the biotic component and is called as the ecology. The origin of the term ecology is there is a general agreement that modern term ecology is derived from oikology. The word ecology, first proposed by Ernst Haeckel in 1869, he derived the Greek words oikos meaning the place or home and logos meaning the study. The word ecology literally means the study of living organisms, both plants and animals, in their natural habitats or homes. Organisms form interacting systems or communities. These communities are coupled to their environments by transfer of matter and energy, and so the communities and environment are interrelated. It can also be defined as the study of life in relation to environment. The environment being the aggregate of all external conditions and influences which affect the life and development of organisms at a given spot. Odum in 1963 defined ecology as the study of the structure and the function of nature. According to Charles Krebs, ecology is the scientific study of interactions that determine the distribution and abundance of organisms. Smith, in his book Elements of Ecology and Field Biology, has defined ecology as multidisciplinary science which deals with organisms and their environment, both biotic and the abiotic. The aggregate of the things, physical, chemical, biological, and the influences which affect the life and development of organisms is called environment. This branch of science that seeks to determine the effects of environmental factors on the growth, distribution, and migration of the organisms also deals with some other aspects of relationship between organisms, and those factors is called environmental science. Here, concept of environment. The concept of environment is as old as human civilization. Early people considered science of nature as natural philosophy. Now, environmental science has emerged as interdisciplinary subject comprising biosciences, physics, chemistry, biology, geography, and social sciences. Ecology, like biology, has been subdivided into plant ecology and animal ecology. Plant ecology deals with the relationship between plants and their environments, and animal ecology is concerned with the study of relationship between animals and their environment. Ecology is the term now generally used by the biologists to denote the scientific study of animal behavior with special reference to the behavior of animal is its normal environment. A functional system formed by communities and their environment is called ecosystem. Ecology is a science of ecosystems or total of reciprocal interactions between living organisms and their physical surroundings. The things of the world are classified into two major groups. We are aware about the living and non-living. The living is also known as biotic component, and the non-living is known as the abiotic component. This type of components will be discussed in next video. Here, thank you for watching the video.